Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Phillips curves can be tricky, but we will master this shift in seconds. Let us find out what moved the long-run curve rightward now. First, remember that the long-run Phillips curve is a vertical line at the natural rate of unemployment. Any change to that natural rate will shift the entire vertical line horizontally. If the curve shifts to the right, the natural rate of unemployment must have increased. We need an event that makes it harder or less urgent for people to find work. Permanent increases in unemployment benefits reduce the opportunity cost of being jobless. This raises the natural rate, making option B the correct answer. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check your steps carefully.